What's up, Moose Crew? Do you ever just want to hide in the woods away from your family during the holiday season, but you don't want to give up your holiday feast? This is the video for you, and it's going to be complete with mashed potatoes, stuffing, chicken, green beans, gravy, and some cranberry sauce. I already made the stuffing because I was getting ahead of my holiday cooking because it is noon 30 on Thanksgiving Day. So that one's pre-made, just follow your stovetop box instructions. And then the chicken and the beans came from Packit Gourmet. And then of course our classic backpacking meal of Idaho mashed potatoes. These are specifically the garlic parm because I wanted to be fancy. All right, the very first thing we're going to make is the mashed potatoes, because that's just going to take 2 cups of water, and then we just add it and then stir it up. And then we're going to do the chicken and the beans. So for Idaho mashed potatoes, this packet calls for just 2 cups of water, boiled, pour in, stir thoroughly. Oh no, where's the lighter? There it is. And my can opener is broken, so while this water boils, we're going to open this up the old-fashioned way. Let me know in the comments below if you think canned cranberry sauce is superior or if you prefer homemade. I prefer canned, obviously, but every time I've ever had homemade cranberry sauce, I've just always wanted the canned. All right, our water is all nice and boiled, but the first thing I'm going to do right before I add the potatoes, or the water to the potatoes, I'm going to steal a couple tablespoons from that and add it to the beans and the chicken. Because according to Packit Gourmet, the chicken, if you do a 1/4 cup, I did a 1/2 cup, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of water per 1/4 cup. So that means I'm going to need 4 tablespoons of water. And then for the green beans, I can't remember how many tablespoons, but I know it came out to 4 tablespoons of water. So for 1 tablespoon of green beans, it comes out to a 1/2 tablespoon of water. It does not seem like a lot, but I don't know. So we're going to see how it turns out. Yes, I got my little green beans in their little cup, my hot water. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that one says rest for 5 minutes. And the chicken is supposed to heat up pretty instantaneously. Freeze-dried meals are always pretty weird. Doing one little extra because that was a pretty low water thing. But freeze-dried meals are always so weird with how they rehydrate. Sometimes I don't ever believe them. All right, so that's all done. We're gonna add this to the potatoes. All right, and then I'm gonna heat up my gravy. Just a little bit though, since it's just me. I'm saving the rest for dinner. I personally like Heinz home-style turkey gravy. If you're backpacking, you can definitely use those little powder packs. I personally don't like them because they have a very floury flavor, where it's like that they didn't make a proper roux or anything. So that's why I'm just personal to this. I wonder if anyone's ever done the freeze-dried cranberry, though. If not, someone should. All right, back to my lighter. I have to be careful to not burn this, because the gravy would definitely want to do that. It's also so hot, so lower heat. I'm leaving it uncovered so I can monitor it. And hot bowl. I stir up our little potatoes. Wow, that gravy is like instantly heated up. So after I'm done stirring, I'm gonna turn that off real quick. All right. All right, nice heated up gravy. All right, so, ooh, my green beans are soft. Chicken feels firm. So let's add it up all together now. So like I said, have our pre-made stuffing. And then I'm gonna add in some scoops of potatoes. We're carb heavy on this channel. Toss in the beans. A little bit of water is still in there. That's okay. It's nice and steamy. Got our chicken. Parts would still look dry. I think if you close this up, oh no, chicken down, the neighborhood dogs will get it. It's all right. Let's push that in there. Give it a good stir to mix it up. Yeah, I think that there will be plenty of heat in here to help rehydrate everything if something isn't rehydrated. Stuffing and mashed potatoes really like to retain their heat. So, all right, got that in there. Just gonna pour our gravy. Alright, so here it is, still steaming, and here's my first bite. It's definitely giving Thanksgiving leftovers in a bowl. I'm super impressed by how well the Packit Gourmet green beans rehydrated, and the chicken. Rehydrated meat always has a weird texture to it, but this one did rehydrate pretty well, where it feels just like frozen chicken instead of like that was dried and rehydrated. So I'm really impressed by that. I would definitely add a little bit more just salt and pepper to it. But yeah, all in all, I think this is a really good slot bowl if you're hiding out in the woods away from your family for the holidays. Man, let's finish off with some cranberry sauce. Big old heap and scoop. So good. You can't go wrong with the canned cranberry sauce. Yeah, so like I said, it's about 12:30 on Thanksgiving Day, and I have a Cornish hen to go cook, and I hope that you all have a great time with your family, your friends, whatever you're doing, or if you're hiding out in the woods, I hope you stay successful and your family doesn't find you. So yeah, if you want to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe down below, and just remember to keep exploring, keep trekking, keep trying new things, and have a great one. Thanks. Bye. Thanksgiving visitor.